Alright, so number 10 says solve for x, and we have a fraction. Still, treat it like everything else. Try to get x by itself. So let's move the 7. That's going to be 28 is equal to 4 over 9 x. And how do we cancel out 4 ninths? Good, we're going to have to multiply by the reciprocal, 9 over 4. So those cancel, and when I do 28 times 9 over 4, I get 63. Okay, number 11. Lisa's scores for 3 video games were these are your numbers. What would she have to score in the next game to tie a friend whose average score was 438? Well, first we have to remember how to do an average. Average where you add them all up and then divide by a certain value. Now, she has 3 scores right now of this, this, and this, and she wants her average to be 438. So let's plug in what we know. So 245 plus 672 plus 437 plus some value, and all of that being divided by 4 will give us 438. Well, first thing, let's cancel out divide by 4, so we got to multiply by 4. Multiply both sides by 4. Those cancel. Boom. So I get all those values. And 438 times 4 gives me 1,752. Combine your like terms. Subtract what's left. So she needs to score 398 on her last game to get the same average as her friend. Okay, we've got one more. It says Renee earns a salary of $220 per week. She also receives a bonus of 1.5% for her total sales. How much would her total sales have to be if she wanted to make at least $325 this week? I want you to try this, see what you come up with, and then and push pause on the video until you worked it out. Push play when you're ready to see the answer, okay? Push pause now. All right, so she gets a salary of $220 per week, plus 1.5% bonus on her sales. Let's change that into a decimal. Change the percent into a decimal. 1, 2. So there's our decimal. 0.015 times, we don't know how many sales she's said. Let's just call that X. And she wants it to add up to 325. Well, subtract what we know. That's going to be 105, and then divide. $7,000. So she needs to sell 7,000 units or whatever. 7,000 units, 7,000 total sales to reach her goal of $325 for that week. That is it for the notes. Let me go over your assignment real quick. Okay, on your assignment, I want you to do 1 through 9, which is all just practicing using the quotient rule. And then on number 10, where it starts with review problems, I want you to work 10, 12, and 14. So you can do the evens on just the review problems. If you do all of them, I'll give you bonus, even for 15. So you have a chance to earn a lot of points on this assignment. Make sure to work hard and do your best.